Yes.
Okay. So today we will be learning salient features of our constitution. With there are five salient features: democratic rule, secularism, republic, then federal state, okay, and then last is fundamental rights. So today we are going
Fundamental
to
rights.
yes, today we are going to study democratic rule. What is democratic rule? Our India is a democratic country. How is our India? Democratic country. Its system is democratic system. Okay. What is democratic? Democratic means general elections are held in our country. That if the person is 18 or he is above the 18, so he can cast, he is eligible to cast a vote. Yes, but democracy means what? We can't, without voting, democracy is not possible. Okay, got it, Vidya? Next, people all over the country play their role in electing their representatives. All over the country, they are electing their representatives. After any voter of the country can contest an election. So, it is not on the basis of caste, creed, or religion, but any people, every citizen of India can vote to any of the party. Okay, then only it is democratic. Election is held every 5 years. He or she can enjoy the freedom to follow any of the religion, to follow any of the caste. He is free to speak any of the speech. He can express his thoughts anywhere. He can show his feelings anywhere. But misbehavior is not possible. Okay? So have you understood what is democratic rule? Have you understood democratic rule?
Yes.
Yes. All the boys. Again,
Yes.
May
I
all
repeat
Yes.
it
start it.
one time. Again, I repeating. Democratic means election. Without election, democracy is not possible. Second thing, our India is a democratic. We have adopted which system? Democratic system. Got it? Any citizen
Yes.
who is 18 or above 18 can are eligible to cast a vote. Second, they can elect any of the representatives. Third, whose mic is unmute? If you are belonging to any caste, if your color is any, if you are of any gender, you can vote it. Okay? Election held
Yes.
every 5 years, and we are free to enjoy any of the religion, any of the caste, and we are free to speak, free to express, and free to tell our thoughts to anyone. Got it? And where we go for voting is called polling booth. What it is called? Polling booth. In picture you can see. What happens when you go?
Yes,
How you
ma'am.
will go? First, you at your home, slip will be given. Yes, nearby your house there will be any polling booth. Polling booth. Sorry. There, first of all, one person is standing. Then he will see your slip. Then he will tell that go to this number for voting. Okay. Then you have to go for that. And there will be keys. You have to press the key first for BJP, second for Congress. That way it will be given. Then you have to press the key, and then you have to, after he will be doing blue color sign in your finger. So it means that you have voted. Okay. As a citizen of India, it's compulsory to vote for India. Okay. Now start with democratic rule.
Democratic rule. Ma'am, I read. I read.
Yes.
Ma'am, I read.
Afterwards, Sufyan, you read this, beta.
I re-
Okay, ma'am. Democratic rule. India has adopted the democratic system of
yes,
government.
Sufyan.
General elections are held in our country every 5 years. Citizens above the age of 18
माइस
are
तेरा
eligible
माइक म्यूट
to
कर।
cast a vote. We cannot imagine democracy
Whose
without
mic? Wait,
elections.
wait.
People,
Whose mic is
मैम
unmute?
माइस का अनम्यूट है।
Mahesh,
किसका?
माहिस।
Mahesh,
Sadi Mahis.
yes,
Mahis.
सुफियान के बाजू में। म्यूट कर दो।
Start.
people all over the country play their role in electing their representatives. Any voter of the country can contest an election, irrespective of his or her religion, caste, class, or gender. The elected representative rule for 5 years. Every citizen enjoys the freedom to follow religion, caste, class, or gender. The elected representative rule for 5 years. Every citizen enjoys the freedom to
Again,
follow
whose mic is unmute?
religion for of his or her choice, as well as freedom of speech, expression, and thoughts.
Okay, so understand democratic rule.
Yes,
Next we move is
यस मैम।
secularism. What is this
सुफियान।
secularism? Secularism means a secular nation means that the government does not conform to the norms of any particular region in the system of government. Means government will not allow any of the members without asking them to follow any of the rules. We can't be discriminated. If faith means trust. Okay, if you believe in any religion or any god, then we can't discriminate that he is believing in this god, he is believing in this god. Second, you are every citizen have right to follow and propagate any of the religion of his or choice. Got it?
Yes,
So it means secularism. Start.
secularism. A secular nation means that the government does not conform to the norms of any particular religion in its system of governance. Citizens are not discriminated on the basis of their faith, sex, or religion. Every citizen enjoys the right to follow and propagate the religion of his or her choice. Mm,
So got it? What is secularism? Means no one.
yeah,
You are not, if you are believing in any of the religion, you are not forced to follow that religion only. You can go to either church or temple or either mosque or Gurudwara XYZ. Got it?
got it. Republic.
Republic means the government has the power from people that directly or indirectly the people, those who are privileged, few privileged peoples, can they are not accessible. They are not forced to follow that religion. Okay? It means republic. They will get directly power from the government to follow the rules of government directly or indirectly. Got it?
Yes, ma'am,
Means
got it.
whether it is Mason, then also he can do the work of government. Okay? It means republic style.
Republic. Republic means a government that appoints people directly or indirectly. It adopted the democratic republic system of government, which means that powers are not limited in the hands of a few privileged people. Rather, it is accessible to all the citizens, irrespective of their caste, class, religion, or gender.
Yes. So today we will keep till here. Now after that I am showing you one video. Okay?
Okay.
You can listen the voice. Waiter.
No,
Yes,
no, ma'am, we can't listen the voice.
but you can't. So I will be showing you by linings.
Ma'am, we can't listen.
You can't, Waiter. Only read the lines. Who will be reading?
I,
And
single will
Ma'am,
read.
I will read.
No.
I will read.
Chalo.
Who will read?
300 representatives, 166 sessions, 2 years and 11 months. And how many days? 18 days. So, how
And
much
18
it took?
days.
Yes. When it enacted on 26 November 1949. From when it, which date it started? 9th December 1946. And it came into enforce on 26 this January 1950, and 26 November is known as Constitution Day. 26 January is known as Republic Day. Got it? India. These were the leaders who were fighting for the freedom of India. They can believe whether they are of any religion, any caste, all are free to follow. I have to education, political. How many women were there? Sarojini Naidu. 9 women were there. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, and they were the members in the Constitution Assembly. Yes, no?
Yes.
Britishers, what they wanted? They wanted that before they left the India, they want to write the Constitution. And this was rejected by whom? Idea was rejected by Indians. The Constitution of Japan. How many? 24 men Americans, and it took 7 days only to frame. And only one woman interpreter was there.
Ma'am, interpreter means
Hmm?
interpreter means
Member. How many language? 23 written language and innumerable dialects. Yesterday only we studied no that written, and it is also in unwritten form. Yes, these are the languages which are mentioned in the constitutions. Now communal rights, caste divisions, federalisms, illiteracy, these were banned out. What were there in the constitution? Equality,
Equality,
liberty,
justice,
justice,
equity, and
and
fraternity.
fraternity. It is mentioned in the preamble, very first page. See, there no?
I read, ma'am.
No need, I am reading it. Who can vote? Just now we studied. Who is 18 or above 18? Equality. Means we are free to follow any of the religion. After 80 years, after 133 years, cut it.
Yes.
Debates also occur same time.
मैम किसी अदर मैम का वॉइस आ रहा है आपके माइक में से।
हाँ,
आपके माइक में से कोई मैम का वॉइस आ रहा है।
तो मैम इधर है ही नहीं, कैसे आएगा?
आ रहा है।
कोई नहीं है.
मैम आ रहा है वॉइस.
So clear?
शायद।
Yes, clear.
Okay, will you explain me how was constitution formed? Who will explain me? Who will explain me? Anyone?
Ma'am, I said
Yes.
the Constitution was drafted by the Constitution Assembly, which was elected elected members of the provincial assemblies. The 389 members assembly reduced to 299 after the partition of India. Took almost 3 years to draft the constitution, holding 11 sessions over 165 days. 1 year, then 11 months and 18 days.
2 years, not 1 year.
Yes, 2 years.
Who were the members? Who were the
Jawaharlal
members?
leader नहीं है.
Members and leaders, both same only over here.
Okay. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Maulana Abdul Kalam, Shyam Prasad, Sardar Patel, Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, etc.
Okay. Female members. Female members.
Ma'am, what?
Female members.
Female members like Sarojini Naidu and Mahalakshmi Gandhi.
Who was the president? Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly?
Rajendra Prasad.
And drafting committee?
Drafting committee was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Okay, when was it formed? I mean, which
It
day
was
did it
formed
decide?
in 26 November 1949 and it was started on 26 January 1950.
Okay, 26 November is known as which day?
It is known as the Indian
Constitution Day.
Constitution formed.
And 26 January is
At 26 January, we celebrate the Republic Day.
Republic.
now salient features.
Salient features of our Constitution: democratic rule, uh,
Secularism,
secularity.
republic, federal state.
Yes,
What is democratic?
democratic means voting and polling. Voting. Uh, People can vote in the country and select who should be the president.
Next,
મેમ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ ફ્યુચરનો અવાજ આવે છે.
you explain no democracy.
ડેમોક્રેટિક
Can anyone tell me what is democratic rule?
યસ
Start with
Democratic rule. India is not
believing
declared
or
the
who are supporting democracy
wait,
or
wait, wait,
its
wait, wait.
principles.
Who's speaking? Chalo.
Ma'am, next Raj Maida.
Who will be speaking?
Ma'am, I
Start,
Hi.
Sophia. Start. Who's this?
मैम सुफियान का माइक में से बहुत आवाज आ रहा है.
Sophia, mute your mic. Sophia, mute your mic. Okay, okay. Other who is speaking?
I speak.
Yes.
India has adopted the
ma'am,
democratic system of
Sufyan, mute
government.
your mic.
India has adopted the democratic system of government, general elections, and held.
Start.
India has adopted the democratic system of. India has adopted the democratic system of government. General elections are held in our country every 5 years. Citizens above the age of 18 are eligible to cast their votes. We cannot imagine democracy without elections. People all over the country play the role in electing their representatives. Any voter of the country can contest an election, re- irrespective of his or her religion, caste, class, or gender. The elected representative rule for 5 years. Every citizen enjoys the freedom to follow religion of his or her choice, as well as freedom of speech, expression, and thought.
Next is secularism.
Secularism. A secular nation means that the government does not conform to the norms of any particular region in its system or governance. Citizens are not discriminated on the basis of their faith, sex,
Sec-
or religion. Every citizen enjoys the right to follow and propagate the religion of his or her choice.
Republic.
Republic. Republic means a government that obtains power from people directly to or indirectly. We have adopted a democratic republic system of government, which means that the power are not limited in the hands of a few privileged people. Rather, it is accessible to all the
To all the.
citizens, irrespective of the caste, class, region, or gender.
Okay, so here we complete today's topic. Okay?
Yes. Next year, go topic next.
You are having test on Tuesday, huh? Chapter number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Be prepared.